Hello everyone, this is Steve Jaworski, and I'm here to show you a quick little exercise in this video. Something that you can do on your own, something that you can do even pretty much while watching TV or listening to music. Is pretty simple and pretty easy. Just a lot of work to get down. As you can see with this demonstration, I'm going to start with my darkest dark, and I'm going to slowly and gradually and smoothly transition to my lightest light. Notice what I'm doing with my hands. Notice what I'm doing with the pencil. I'm rotating my pencil as I am going down the scale and getting lighter and lighter. This is important because as the pencil wears down, the point moves, and if you're using the flat side of the pencil, it's going to ride on top of the texture of the paper. I can get into texture of the paper and what exactly that is. It's called a tooth, and I can get into that in another video, but for the sake of this, just know that you need to make sure that you're constantly rotating. When you are done, it's going to look something like this. If you are practiced enough, the goal is to be consistent, and the goal is to have a nice, smooth transition. Now, while you're doing these exercises, you're going to run into a bunch of different roadblocks. The first one is going to be you're going to get a lot of tornadoes. You're going to get a lot of unevenness on the sides. You're going to get ones where there's all of a sudden a huge drop in value or a huge skip in your transition. Big areas where you have a huge dark area and then it jumps to a very light value. You're going to want to watch out for all of these. I duplicated them in a couple different examples on the screen right now. You want to avoid these as much as possible, but you're going to want to experiment with how you're holding and how you're executing these scales as much as possible. So you're going to run into these. Don't get discouraged by when you do run into these. But just make sure you're aware of what you're doing and how to mitigate it. But after a while, it's going to start looking like this. And if you can do that consistently, you're going to have a better control of your materials. You're going to have a better understanding of how your values turn in different areas of your drawings, whether it be a face, a still life, landscape, portrait, whatever. Enjoy and let me know how you do. As always, my name is Steve Jaworski. Thank you again for watching my video, and I'll see you soon.